Hey y'all, so it is 11:30, pretty late in the morning, and I'm just getting a start on my meals. And that's because I actually just got finished filming a video. I wanted to just go ahead and knock it out and get it done. And I really should have had a snack before because I am starving right now. While I was making the video, my mind was drifting, thinking about eating. So yeah, I'm definitely overdue. I'm about to go ahead and whip up some vittles so I can nourish myself. All right, so for breakfast, I am going to be choosing from this selection. I got all these goodies from Daily Harvest. They actually sent me all this food to try out. And by the way, thank you so much to Daily Harvest for sponsoring this video. I was looking at the oat bowls because they look really good, especially this one. I can't wait to try it. But I think I'm gonna go with a flatbread. I have two different ones here. I'm gonna try the artichoke and spinach flatbread because I felt like I want something breaded, want something a little more substantial. And then I'm gonna have a smoothie to go along with it. So I have 5 ones to choose from. Let's go with banana and greens. All right, so I've already gone ahead and put my flatbread into the oven. It says on here to bake at 450 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. I love that it says exactly what's in it. Broccoli, artichoke, spinach, cauliflower, tahini, and thyme. And then the banana and green smoothie. To prepare it, you just fill the cup to the top with your preferred liquid. Put it into a blender and blend. I can already smell the flatbread cooking. Smells really good. I'm super excited. So while I'm waiting for that to be done, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys a little bit more about Daily Harvest. They really specialize in clean, healthy food, and they deliver it right to you. So all the stuff that I got, it came to me frozen. They package everything in a container that keeps the food frozen. When you get it, you just pop it in your freezer, and when you're ready to eat, you take it out, prepare it according to the package instructions, which are super simple, and it's ready to go. And they have things like smoothies, oat bowls, chia bowls, flatbreads, of course, soups, lattes, snacks, and they're all based on fruits and vegetables. So this, I feel like, is a really good resource for those of you that want to eat more healthier, you want to get more fruits and vegetables, and this is like a shortcut for that because they make nourishing food super convenient. They send it right to you. And I also love that they have organic ingredients. So if you want to check out Daily Harvest and get some of these goodies for yourself and try them out, I will have the link below right in the description box. They've also hooked me up with a coupon code for you guys of $25 off, so you can take advantage of that. All right, so I'm gonna go with some coconut water for my smoothie. Fresh out of the oven. I'm gonna add some red chili flakes and a little balsamic vinegar. Just a tad bit. All right, let's try. Really like it with the balsamic vinegar. It gives it a nice zing. Let me try the smoothie. I was expecting it to taste a little more bitter than it does, but it's actually really smooth. It mostly, to me, tastes like bananas. The greens aren't overpowering at all. So if you're the type of person that doesn't necessarily like greens, but you want to get the nutrients from them, you'll be good with this. All right, for lunch, I'm having black bean soup in a salad. And first, I'm gonna just dice up this onion and tomato. Throw all this into a pot along with some black beans. These are already cooked. Vegetable broth. That's going to be my base. And then I'm going to season it with some cumin, garlic powder, a little pepper, tiny bit of salt, some ketchup, and I'm also going to add a touch of A1 sauce. This really hits it off. Mix that all together. All right, so I'm going to let that heat up. All right, so for my salad, I'm using this chopped romaine mix. Adding on some shredded carrots, some olives. Love olives in a salad. So good. Also some sliced almonds. Really like how it gives it a crunch. And I'm gonna take half an avocado, And then for my dressing, I mixed up a homemade vinaigrette. For this, I used olive oil, apple cider vinegar, a splash of balsamic vinegar, onion powder, garlic powder, a little salt and pepper, and some vanilla extract. Pour that on. Actually, now that I'm done, I feel like this salad needs some sesame seeds, so I'm gonna get some of those. Add a little flair to it. Salad's done, soup's ready, and I also made a cup of lemon water to wash everything down. So this is my lunch. I'm about to chow. I've always loved black bean soup. I really started making it a lot when they discontinued the black bean soup at Panera Bread, which I was highly upset about. I don't know why they did that. That was like the best soup they had. So I started making it a lot at home because I was craving it. A lot of times I switch up the way I make it though. I just use what I have on hand and I make it work. So this came out really good. And then the salad, well, I make this salad all the time, so I know it's gonna be tasty. The dressing came out super yummy. For din din, I'm gonna make this sweet potato and wild rice hash bowl. Has a lot of good stuff in here, as you can see. Pour into a pan and cook over medium-high heat for 4 to 5 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of water or broth if needed. Also has microwave directions. I'm gonna make this in a pan though, because food always tastes better when you make it in a pan. I'm gonna add some vegetable broth in there, like they suggest. So this already has avocado in here, but I'm gonna add some more because you can just never have too much avocado. And then I'm gonna add some of this tahini. I really love tahini in grain bowls like this. For me, it always works. It really sets off the flavor. So I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze some of that on like that. A little bit of pepper. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna keep it all the way real and tell you that I was a little skeptical while I was making that in the pan. I wasn't sure how it was gonna taste, but it actually has a super nice flavor, especially once I've added the pepper and tahini. I am definitely not mad at this at all. And initially I was planning on making a biscuit with this, but my lunch has kind of stuck with me, and so I decided not to because it would just be too much right now. This is like the perfect serving size for my dinner. And I also made another glass of lemon water. This is what I've been drinking all day, lemon water. In the mood for something sweet, so I figured I'd make a smoothie bowl. I'm gonna use one of these smoothie cups. This one is the strawberry and peach. It has strawberry, banana, peach, raspberry, oats, and goji berries in it. And I'm actually just gonna use half this container. I'm gonna save the other half for another time. And I'm using almond milk this go round. I'm gonna have some blueberries I'm gonna put on there and some diced pineapple. I really like this blend. It kind of tastes like I went to one of those froyo places. Really good. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and chill, finish my smoothie bowl. And this is pretty much the end of what I eat in a day. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I will catch up with you soon on my next one. Peace.